Welcome to Invested Talent. My name is Ruben Kanya, and if you're anything like me, you probably shoot tons of content. The only problem with that is that once it's recorded, it's got to be edited. You've now created yourself a full-time job. If you know anything about editing, it can take lots of time to edit. Plus now, 80% of the videos that are consumed without sound. Therefore, now you have the additional requirement of adding caption. Now, that goes without saying. If you're watching this, you're probably a podcast creator, you're interviewing experts in your space, or you're simply recording a lot of content out in the field. You simply have tons of content that's currently sitting on your phone from what you've been capturing out in the field for your business. Now, if that's you, we do have a solution. We're scratching our own itch here. At Invested Talent, we'll take that existing content that you have, we'll edit it, we'll schedule it, and we'll publish it to the respective platform you would like the content to go out to. That includes, but is not limited to, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. It's got video, you name it, we'll publish it. We'll even go the other way around and take your Zoom video that you have and repurpose it into a podcast to go out to all the podcast listening platforms that are out there. Why is this important? Well, essentially, you're trying to build a thought leadership platform. You're trying to build an audience. You're trying to build a brand. You're trying to build a community. Clients, we like to call them partners. And at Invested Talent, we believe that truly, if you're currently producing content, video content, you can really explode your brand online. We've been able to do it. We've been able to do it for multiple clients. So if this sounds like anything that you may be interested in, there is synergy down there. Make sure you check below, click the box below and reach out to one of our team members. And we'll be glad to help you, because at Invested Talent, we believe that you need to continue to do what you're doing, leverage digital video, focus on the recording, and leave the editing and publishing to us.